Casio G-Shock watches are widely regarded as the toughest watches and offer something for pretty much every style. It also provides excellent impact protection and ultimate water resistance, meaning they can be used in any activity and harsh environment. In today's video, we have made a list of the top 5 Casio G-Shock watch for men. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Casio G-Shock GRB201A is a durable and highly weather-resistant smartwatch which is designed for pilots working in harsh conditions. With carbon fiber reinforcement, this smartwatch is shielded from any external damage. It doesn't just improve durability but also keeps the watch lightweight. Besides, the carbon core construction offers shock resistance and fortifies the watch against vibrations. It has 3 buttons on the right side, which can give you the vibe of a helicopter control stick and can allow you to navigate the option. The combination of analog and digital displays gives it an aerospace aesthetic. It even comes with a Super Illuminator Auto Double E light for the face and digital display illumination. Feature-wise, this watch comes with a quad sensor featuring a compass, altimeter, barometer, temperature reader, and pedometer. It also offers time correction by linking to the dedicated G-Shock app, which you can use to obtain mission logs, plus up to 200 meters of water resistance keeps it safe from moisture ingress. Upgrade the iconic look you love with the Casio G-Shock GRB2101A, which inherits the design of the very first G-Shock. While maintaining the iconic octagonal form, this watch boasts the carbon core guard structure to provide durability, lightweight, as well as excellent weather resistance. Besides, the 4 dial buttons ensure improved functionality. You can keep yourself updated by connecting the watch using Bluetooth. The watch even has excellent solar power capabilities to keep it alive for a long period of time. Also, it comes with double LED light to maintain watch readability in the dark. As for the waterproof design, this watch can be submerged in water for up to 200 meters. Break through all of your limits with the Casio G-Shock Rangeman, which ensure ultimate toughness for your survival. This watch uses a ceramic case back to support wireless charging and high-sensitivity GPS reception. Also, the case is 2mm thick, making it shock and low-temperature resistance. Its stainless steel bezel contains a GPS antenna function to provide stable and accurate positioning. Not only that, this watch collects location data from GPS satellites to display the current location on a route or bearing to a destination in real time. With the backtrack feature, you can navigate back to where you started. The user can even save points of data including longitude, latitude, altitude, temperature, and many more with just the tap of a button. Plus, the GPS can be used for up to 33 hours, and if the battery becomes depleted, it can be charged by the solar charging system. You can even save the trajectory of your movements on the G-Shock connected app. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG1000 is made for extreme on-land use. By preventing mud or dust, it ensures reliable operation in the harshest of environments. Besides, a cylindrical guard structure protects all the buttons. This structure not only protects the buttons against intrusion by dust and mud, but also helps to alleviate shocks. A vibration-resistant structure makes it able to withstand the use of large pieces of equipment such as electric cutters or crushers. It's also equipped with a triple sensor that displays information on orientation, atmospheric pressure, altitude, and temperature. With a built-in digital compass, you can effortlessly know which direction you're taking. This watch comes with a rechargeable battery that offers around 6 months of operating time. And with stable solar power, you can keep the watch alive for a long period of time. The GWG1000 can also be submerged in up to 200 meters of water. From Casio G-Shock, the GST B401A boasts a new and improved thin design without sacrificing the Bluetooth and solar charging system. Strong yet lightweight, the carbon core guard structure of this watch helps to make it the thinnest while maintaining a high level of impact resistance. Also, the number of button guards has been reduced as much as possible, enabling the use of large stainless steel buttons that are slim yet easy to operate. The top bezel has 5 different finishes and the middle bezel has 4 different finishes, which creates an elegant effect and changes the appearance from different viewing angles. Moreover, you can connect this watch to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Besides, the LED light allows you to see everything in the dark. This watch also has up to 200 meters of water resistance. With the solar charging system, this watch can operate longer than you think. So that was all about the 5 Casio G-Shock watch for men just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.